Hi guys, I'm going to show you this Canon FTb that I have. This is the front condition. This is one side. This is the other side. This is the top. Serial number. This is the back. And this is the bottom. So I'll turn on the unfortunately, like this unit, the light meter is not working. I think the needle is not there or something like that. Yeah, sorry about that. Now I'll show you the shutter speeds. This is the inside compartment. Alright. I'm gonna adjust the shutter speed on the digital camera so you can show the speeds better. So this is, just now was 1000, now it's 500. Okay. Now it's 250. Now it's 125. Alright. 60. 30. 15. 108. Quarter. Half. 1 second. And this is bulb mode. Okay, so I'm gonna re-engage auto exposure. So all speeds work. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless.